In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO meta titles and descriptions in Genspark. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to type, and how to make sure your changes appear on your live site. Start by opening your website project in Genspark. From your dashboard, choose the project you want to optimize and head into the editor or project workspace. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one so you're editing the right content. Next, navigate to the settings area for the page or the overall site. If you're optimizing a single page, open that page first, then look for its page level settings. If you want a default that applies across the entire site, go to the site settings. Page settings control what appears for that specific page in search results, while site settings often provide broad defaults. In the settings, look for options labeled SEO, page settings, or metadata. Different sections can have slightly different names, but they usually group together items like meta title, meta description, and sometimes social sharing previews. If you don't see them right away, expand advanced or more options to reveal the SEO fields. Now enter your meta title and meta description for the page. The meta title is the clickable headline that appears in search results. Keep it concise and clear. Around 50 to 60 characters is a good target, and include the primary topic or keyword naturally. The meta description is a brief summary that appears under the title. Aim for about 150 to 160 characters. Write in a friendly, helpful tone and focus on what a visitor will learn or accomplish on the page. Think of it as a short promise that sets the right expectation and encourages a click. Take a moment to review your wording so it accurately reflects the page content. Avoid vague phrases or clickbait. Make sure the title and description are unique to this page, easy to understand, and aligned with what's actually on the page. If the settings offer a preview, use it to spot truncation and adjust as needed. When you're happy with the copy, save your SEO changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Done button and wait for the confirmation so nothing is lost. Finally, publish or update your website so the new meta tags take effect on the live site. After publishing, give search engines some time to recrawl. Updates don't appear instantly. That's it. Your page now has clear, optimized metadata in Genspark.